Happy morning, friends. And today I would like to interact with my students to explain them about conflict resolution, how to resolve conflicts. I would like to explain them the ways to resolve the conflict. What is a conflict? A serious clash, a strong disagreement, an opposite force. So conflicts are different types. Conflicts are basically four types. Conflict within you. Your mind thinks one thing. You are doing another thing. There is a disagreement between your mind and your actions. That is one kind of conflict. Conflict within the self. So the second one is conflict with others. Today I am going to concentrate on that aspect. Conflict with others. So you have your own ideas. Other gentlemen have his own ideas. They may clash. He may not agree with you or you may not agree with you. You feel that you are right. That gentleman feels he is right. Then a clash arises. So that leads to the conflict. So today we are discussing about conflict with others. Third one, conflict with the environment. Fourth one, conflict with supernatural power. So we are today concerned about conflict with others, clashes between people and disagreement between people. How to resolve them? How to resolve clash of interest between two people? How to resolve a clash, a conflict, a fight between the two people? Now reach out. Resolve a conflict. Resolve a conflict between two people. So, what is the acronym for resolve? Let us see. R stands for reach out. E stands for engage in a conversation. S stands for seek to solve the problem. O stands for open up. L stands for listen intently. V stands for voice solutions. And E stands for end on a good note. Let us see. R, reach out. So when you have a conflict with your friend, come together and discuss. So when you have a conflict with the person, with your friend, so come together. So that is first point to resolve your conflict. And come together. That is known as reach out. E stands for engage in conversation. Because of conflict, you are not in talking terms. Then now first step is you have come together. You have reached out to now. Then remain calm and make sure to talk one at a time. So once you meet together, you start explaining your views. That gentleman starts explaining his views. That again leads to a bigger conflict. No, remain calm and make sure to talk one person at a time. You allow your friend to talk first. Be patient. Then so that you are in calm. Now S stands for seek to solve the problem. So when you have come together, so with a purpose, with an objective, with a goal is to solve the problem that arises because between both of you. Agree to come up with the sensible solutions you both can accept. So so accept ACC or HC is basically agree to come up with sensible solutions you both can accept. So there won't be any problem without solution. There won't be any lock without key. God has not created problems without solution. Definitely a problem between both of you have a solution. And now come up with sensible solutions. O stands for open up. Calmly communicate your side of the story to explain how you feel. Because of his argument, because of your friend's argument, because of your friend's way of thinking, how it hurts you, you explain in a calm, cool atmosphere. Then listen intently. Listen to the other person so that you can understand their point of view. Don't forcefully argue. Listen. Be patient. What others says. So that you can understand their view of thinking, their version of their story also. Now, V stands for wise solution. Brainstorm solutions to resolve your conflict together. So, as I told you, for every problem there is a solution. For this problem, for this conflict to resolve, there may be so many solutions, and think wisely and get all the solutions together to resolve your problem, your conflict. And out of the so many resolutions or out of so many solutions, find out the best one to resolve the conflict. E stands for end on a good note. End on a good note. Agree to the solutions. So both should agree to a common solution. Give a compliment to each other. And so now you cannot shake hands. Actually, agree to the solution. Give a compliment to each other by shaking your hands. But now, due to Corona, you are not supposed to shake your hands. Just give a compliment and agree to a solution, a common solution. Then that will be ended on a good note. So your conflict is resolved and you will be happy. And this is the way of conflict resolution. So the resolve stands for like this, and so that you can solve your problem, so that conflict erases out, so that you will be happy. All the best. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.